Alright y'all, how's everybody doing? Today I think we got a good video for you. We're going to be reverse engineering a sound silencer. So all a sound silencer is it's a round cylindrical object that fits inside your HVAC system. Essentially all it's intended to do is prevent sound from transferring through your HVAC from room to room. Got this idea from Amazon. Come check it out.
Alright, so here we have the sound maze that I found on Amazon. Like I said, super simple product, just plug and play. But you can buy this for $15.50. You're gonna need like 10 of them for a normal house, and you just put it in your vent, and it's gonna help prevent sound transfer. They provide a drawing for it. They tell you how much airflow it's going to impede, how much sound is going to be let through based off of how many segments you take out. So this product does provide segments that you can take out. So the more segments you take out, the higher amount of airflow is going to be allowed through, but also the more sound. So obviously you have to do a little bit of trial and error, see what you like. Make sure you save the plugs and test it out. See if you're getting the results you want. So it'd be like $150 for a normal household. You got like 10 vents in a house. You want to put in every vent at $150 just for this. However, if you have a CAD software and a 3D printer and some TPU, super easy to reverse engineer. So we're gonna send this to our CAD software and model it up and see if we can make this. So here in Fusion 360, just creating a sketch on the top plane, circle. Let's see, it's asking for 6.3 inches, but I know my vents are a little bit smaller at about 5 7/8. So let's see here. Here we go, 5.875. Okay, and then we're going to put these ellipses in it. They're about 3 inches wide by 1.2 inches tall. Pattern these around at the center point. You need 4. Okay. And there's an ellipse in the center that goes crossways like this at 45 degrees. Same height, 1.2 inches. And there's a small hole right below. I don't know exactly how far, but it's probably about here. Looks like it's about 3/8. Okay, there we are. Finish our sketch. Extrude this through. 2 inches is how thick it says it is. And we're done. As easy as that. So we'll send this to our slicing software and print it, see what we get. Right, so just sending the file to the slicer real quick. This is the new file. Pretty much as easy as that. Place it right in the center. Looks great. Looks like it's on the Z plane, so it's actually going to print on the plate of the printer. It's always good. And it is going to be another material here because we're printing it out of TPU, just like a thermal polyurethane. It's a flexible plastic. As my TPU settings here, we're going to load them. Prints it a lot hotter, and the heated bed stays around 60 degrees Celsius. That's what I found to be optimal. 5% infill, honeycomb pattern, so it's not very dense, so as to print it a little bit quicker, and it doesn't need to be structurally as sound. In fact, when it's hollow, it's a little bit better, just for acoustics. But printing speeds, TPU actually prints pretty quickly. as it hardens fast. And yeah.
Alright, here is our finished print. Now I did make a mistake and I used blue masking tape on my build plate to help adhere the print to the plate. I was out of Captain tape, so I just used the masking tape, and I will never do that again. Does not come off very easily at all, but for all intents and purposes this is going inside a vent HVAC duct, so it's not going to matter. But so this is made out of TPU, so it's flexible, definitely not as soft as foam would be, but we are going to try this out. Get rid of some of these fuzzies on here. There we go. And there we are. Alright, let's try to put this in that vent. Bit of finesse. One arm finesse. There we are. Like a glove. Alright guys, well if you made it this far in the video, you're a true warrior. I appreciate you. This is my first time doing a video like this. It's really a lot harder than you think. Been a big fan of YouTube for a long time. Watched a lot of channels, a lot of creators. I've always appreciated what they do, but I've never actually appreciated it like I do now. It's incredibly hard, but my goal is to get better, continue to learn, continue to show some of my skills and teach all of you. So I appreciate you for watching. Please consider subscribing in the future. I'm hoping to put out 2 videos a month, you know, just starting out, and then maybe more as we get going, who knows. So yeah, please consider subscribing, and check out my website, omegamanufacturingco.com. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.